Today we're giving you holiday drink ideas so that you can make a delicious mocktail
or cocktail
for your holiday parties.
When you get to the holidays and you're like, I'm gonna throw the most perfect party, but I have people of all ages coming. What do I serve them to drink? Because sometimes the adults want a cocktail, but the kids obviously can't have that. What are my choices?
Well, first of all, let's just all calm down. It's gonna be fine.
Good idea.
I promise.
The holiday overwhelm. I don't know what to do.
Do some shavasana, as we say in yoga class.
Really
I'm
good
taking
idea.
yoga, so
Oh.
I'm learning these types of things. Okay, after you've done that and you're feeling calm,
Yes.
you can please the masses with this drink that we're going to show you how to make today, because you can make it as a mocktail or a cocktail. So,
What?
you can serve the mocktail to people who are not old enough to drink.
Or who just don't
Or
drink
who just
alcohol.
don't drink.
There you go. Let's get started on this mocktail. Citrus Delight. Yes, I made that name up. I'm amazing. We've got the cocktail version.
Mocktail version.
Let's give this a taste.
Cheers! Yummy.
Oh my. I really like the gin. That
Sour.
is...
Sour.
Robin just got some of that citrus. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I like raspberries.
I think this Raspberry Citrus Delight mocktail version is literally going to please anyone who is too young to drink or is not a drinker.
It's very delicious, very raspberry.
Yeah. And this cocktail, if you like gin and you like raspberries, I think this is definitely the way to go.
The recipe is in the description below, so go down there and check it out. It's got all the measurements, all the ingredients, all the things.
All the things.
And make sure and leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite holiday tradition is.
Ooh, good one. I like it. Holiday traditions. Well, I think this drink might be my new holiday tradition. So there you go. Make sure and give us a thumbs up and share this video with anybody who really needs a great idea for their holiday drink this year. Thanks for watching.
Bye.